Alright, it's still winter, but I got flowers growing on my trees. You know what I'm saying? This is a plum tree and a peach tree, and it's warming up. It'll be springtime soon. So now's the time to go ahead and put these trees into a bigger pot or a tub. You know what I'm saying? The same as so I got a lot of my other fruit trees in. You know what I'm saying? I picked those up from the dollar store, Dollar General. Just saw them and just picked up a bunch of them. Drilled some holes in the bottom, and they ended up working real well for me as a step up for the fruit trees. So if you're not sure, you know what I mean, where you want to plant your fruit trees, it's a way to, you know, let them continue to grow and get bigger and not jump, you know, give the roots some extra space. So if you can find something like that, that'll still let them be, you know, transportable, that's an idea for you. But yeah, it's time to go ahead and give these some more space. Just to be exact, this is a Burbank plum and a Georgia Belle peach tree. So I'm gonna be putting in pretty much the entire root ball and all the dirt inside this tub. I started it off with a first layer. This first layer is if you remember, I did a video not too long ago. It was a big burn pile, big burn pit. Well, over to the right, that's the burn pit, what it looks like now. So you can see I done got up in there and got some of that out. That's what I'm using for my first layer, my bottom layer of these. Also got some compost that's already had its time to bake and get good. I got some extra just miscellaneous dirt, and I got plenty more dirt as well. So got some good compost, got another bucket of compost if I need to use it. A lot of good you know, broken down natural material up in there. So let's get it. Alright, so we just gonna get on in there and start with the plum. Grab it and kind of squeeze it between my feet, legs, loosen the sides up a little bit. We just gonna get on up in there. Lay it on the side. There we go. Whoa. Careful that you're not hurting the root ball here. And before I put this in here, I want to just kind of agitate them roots a little bit. Spread some off a little bit around the sides and the bottom. You know, tickle them a little bit, wake them up. Alright. And I want to sit this in here so that this will grow more straight up, because the way it was growing, it was kind of linked off to the side. So I'm gonna let it sit like that. I'm gonna just start adding some dirt around, mixing all of this stuff all around pretty much. These different types of dirt, this compost, you know what I'm saying? And we're gonna spread the love with that. And now for the finishing touches. Hey, so man, I'm gonna just do the exact same thing for the other tree with the other tub that I got. So you ain't really missing nothing. But if you got any fruit trees that you know, need a little bit more space, stretch them legs out, go on, you know what I'm saying? Go to your local Dollar General, see if they got something like that. See if you can find something real cheap. You know what I'm saying? Cheap and cost effective that you can use to let them spread them roots out. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully, it'll let you grow some fruit while you still got them. And you know, they'll grow fruit because these grew fruit from you last year in the containers that they're in. So put them in a bigger tub, let them get bigger while you still deciding on where to put them. You know what I mean? Let them grow their fruit while you can still transport them. And that's it for this video. Go on, leave a like. Got any questions, anything, hit up the comment box. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out, squad. Man, I wanna see you great. I wanna see you elevate. I wanna see you in the clouds. I wanna see you